my Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? This is your boy, this is Rock 254. So what we done is we kind of dry fitted everything together. I still gotta go back and do Teflon tape. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is going to work the way it needs to work. See, I left tags on all that shit. So this one is already pressured up. I have the valves closed here and here. So, well, actually this one is open, but there's no air on there. I haven't turned that compressor on. So, in theory, this is the only one that's gonna be running. Or this one here. Or they will run, but they'll run like simultaneously. There's the 150 max PSI over here, and then the 160 max PSI over here. So either this one running, but I would think that would be filling both of them, or then both of them just kind of running simultaneously. So we're gonna see how this works and go from there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to adjust this. I'm gonna open this valve for the regulated air all the way up. Here we go. So in theory, it should fill out this one. And then when this drops to a certain level, then the compressor right here will kick on. So we're trying to see where is the kick on. As you can see, the air is draining out of here, filling up this tank. Like I said, I got this one pretty much, I believe, as wide open as it can be. I wonder if it got a little air leakage from right there. But like I said, this is just test theory, make sure it'll work the way it's supposed to work. So that filled that up to 80. And then of course, you know, we got little leaks over here or whatever because no Teflon tape. So let's see. As you can see here, like it's all the way. This is the one that's coming off the line. The line can be regulated at a certain pressure. So if we want to drop the line to 40, yeah, we can drop the line to 40 there. But still, those are like wide open. And that way it's regulated on what's coming out the end. So let's do this. Put this 1 second, let me get this connected. Let's see what we get. So of course, I believe this tool needs like 90 PSI to run. So if we open it all the way up, then it's not before, because none of the pumps are on, so. So you get the point. In theory, you know, it's gonna run more longer, more effectively than it would have been with the 10-gallon tank. And it's like a cop out to doing the 60 gallons. So next thing I'm gonna test is to see if they're gonna actually kick on at different times. Tune in for the next one. It's your boy Alice Rock 254 signing off. We're going. Alright, y'all, so we filled both compressors up. What I've done is I went ahead and opened over the valves all the way. And so now I'm gonna run the gun and see which one of these is gonna kick on first. Maybe we're doing this wrong. Hold on. As you can see, we got some leaks and shit. But like I said, this should be Teflon tape. But the theory is working. But I also need to see with both of them on. But I need to get this one back up to pressure. So stand by.